Mr. Eden.
Hi, Jenna. Okay, so to start with your tutor lesson, we need to work on geometry. Can you tell me what you think geometry is?
Like shapes and stuff.
First of all, geometry is more than just shapes. It's the angles of the shapes, the sum of all angles of the shape, the formulas, and of course the shapes themselves.
Okay.
So, do you know how to find the sum of all angles?
Yeah, you add up the angles and that's the sum of all angles.
Correct. Okay, how many degrees are in a square?
360.
Yes. How'd you figure that out?
I added up all the corners angles, which is 90 degrees for each corner, and I got 360.
Good. You're catching on already. Now let's move on to angles and such. Is this acute or obtuse?
That is,
Remember that if it's greater than 90 degrees, then it's obtuse. If it's less than 90, then it's acute.
okay, yeah. So that would be obtuse, because that's more than 90 degrees.
Yeah. Next we have the formulas. Okay, let's work on the formula for trapezoid. The formula for area of trapezoid is area equals half times height times base 1 plus base 2. So figure out the area of this trapezoid.
Okay, so if this is base 1 and this is base 2, and you add them, that is 13. Yep.
And then you do what?
Then you multiply it by the height. Yep. The height is 6.5. So if you do half times the height, the 6.5 times 0.5, you get 3.3. Then if you multiply 13 times 3.3,
Let's see.
you get 42.9.
Correct. You are doing awesome. Next, the area of a parallelogram. The formula for the parallelogram is length times width, which is the same for a rectangle, even though it doesn't look just like a rectangle. Do you know why the formulas are the exact same?
Because if you take this little piece right here and move it over here, it turns into a rectangle.
Correct. Wow, you don't even need my help.
Yeah, I guess I don't.
Okay, so now that you know what geometry is, now that we went over the basic stuff, what do you think it is now?
I think geometry is shapes, the sum of all angles, the formulas, and for area and that stuff.
And why is geometry important?
Because geometry is all around, and knowing it can help you get a job. You can become a math teacher or a tutor or a contractor since you know the angles.
Perfect. You're going to do great on your next test.
I know. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.